Well, hey again, everyone. This is Bob from Hot Rock Central, and this is going to be a follow-up video to my last one of my solar switching and overpaneling. And today's a perfect day to demonstrate it, to show how it works, because the remnants of Hurricane Ian is on its way up from Florida right now, and it's making for a pretty crappy day. And as you see up there, there's what you can see, the sun. You can see where it's at, but just barely. It's covered up pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my water heater and put a pretty heavy load on the inverter and see what's going on over here. All right, so I'm showing about 41 amp or 40% load on the inverter, and I'm drawing about 20 amps from the batteries. Now, right now, I've got my entire overpaneling switching system switched over to my 24 volt system, charging up the lithium batteries that were used overnight. And what we'll do here is we'll start switching these over to the 48 volt system and see what that does for the battery current. See how much it'll diminish it. All right, we'll start off with number one, and we went from, what was that? It was minus 21, and now that's down to minus 14 and a half. Now we'll take the next switch and switch that over to 48 volts. And that's about 14 amps. And next one, we're down to about 9.5 amps. And let's see, the next one, we're down to about minus 6.5. And on the next one, let's see, that puts it down to about, about -1. -5, almost dead even. Now we'll switch over to the other bank here, and we'll start off with this one right here. And now I'm at plus 2.5. Now there's the next one. That puts it at plus 5. And next one, that's plus 7.5, 8 amps. Next one, that's plus 10.5 amps. Next one, now we're at plus 14.5 amps. And the last one, we're at 17 amps. So even as cloudy as it is out there, switching just about all of my panels over to the 48 volt inverter took all the load off the batteries, plus put in enough excess to start charging them again. So that's the reason for overpaneling, and I hope that you all learned something from that, and appreciate you watching. And I'll see you next time.